Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're going to take a closer look at the new Easy Peasy stamp and coordinating die set from Trinity Stamp's latest release called Sweet Summer. This 3x4 stamp set is created by Dani Studios, and it has this beautiful easy to color stamp that all stamp in one go. And the sentiment reads easy peasy lemon squeezy, and I will share here quickly how I colored this image in. I used my water markers here, and I just quickly went over the whole image using my paintbrush with the clear water inside, just to spread the color around. And you can see here that it goes on like butter. I'm using a watercolor paper here. So here you can see all of the pieces, the one that we colored in, as well as the coordinating die set that I cut my image out with. And this die set is really fun because it also comes with separate dies, so you can create the pea pod and the lemon. So you can see here on screen how it looks when it's all coming together here. And I also wanted to share that this has a really tiny pieces that even so you can cut everything out here, so you can see how cute they are, and they are sized to coordinate with our larger stamp. And you can see here that it could also cut out if you wanted to raise up some images from your stamped and colored piece here. You could do that, so you can see the piece and everything are coordinating, and also the pot here. So this stamp and coordinating die set has a really great price point, and it could be used for a lot of different card projects. So if you like coloring, or if you like creating sort of more of a layered piece like you can do with the die set, this one is perfect for you. And I just love this. I think it was super fun to color with those bright green and yellows. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like more inspiration, you can also follow us on Instagram and join us on our Facebook page, and of course our YouTube channel. So I will now leave you with some close-ups from the design team. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!